Good evening all, this is Tom here, just showing you some details I've been doing on my layout. And I built a lake there behind that bank, and I put that road there recently so the cars can drive around and pull up to the drive up window. And then I put the lake in with the Woodland Scenics water. And it took a couple days because I had to put so much level on it, and it didn't seep through this time. And I have a boat there, and you can see there's two people there, and one guy is sitting down and the other guy has a fish in his hand. And then over here is the dock, and there's a guy standing there, there's a dog on there, and he has a fishing pole in his hand. And so that's that, and I might do some more detail on that lake. I don't know yet what I'm going to do. And that's that. And then here at the train station, I got some people sitting down on the benches, some standing up. There's a guy reading the newspaper, and then over here there's two people standing, and one guy has suitcases down by his feet, and then there's a person, she's standing there with some paperwork in her hands. And then over here we got two people, one sitting down on the bench, and then a lady standing there. And then back here on the sidewalk, there's a guy walking with some suitcases coming to the train station. So that's that scene, and then the train will stop there and pick up the passengers. And then over here is my motorcycle building that I recently built. And then you can see there's two motorcycles that I built. They're waiting to get serviced. And I'll probably get some more to put around, and some people standing around there too. Detail that a little bit more. And then down here, the last building I put on was the diner. And as you can see, I got it all painted. I got the red stripes on. That was a real trick. And I got that done, and the sign there, and they're all lit up and everything. They got lights in them already. So that's that. And on the workbench over here, I got some trees I made using Rick Bale, Rick the tree man. He had showed a couple videos on how to make trees, and I used his method. And that box is all my supplies that I got for making the trees. This is the liquid latex. This is polyfiber from Woodland Scenics. This is the tacky glue, and then this is the liquid hairspray. And I bought the aerosol, and then I saw Rick's last video, and he said it makes a mess with the aerosol one. So I got the liquid stuff today, and I sprayed the trees, and I'm just waiting for them to dry. And then I can put them on the layout and then make another batch. There's 6 there. And today I got this in. Let me go into my office. And it's from this place called Tichy Train Group. And these are, I don't know if it's going to focus, they're railroad crossings. And I got a bunch of those. That's fire escapes, and then there's speed signs, mile marker, speed limit signs. 45, 40, 35, 15, 25, 65 in there. Put them on the roads. And the last one is, what do they call this one? This is the open grate platform with handrails. I'm going to put that on the grain building in that one door that sticks in the middle of nowhere. So I got to cut that to size and put that up there. So, that's that. So that's it for today. And I'll have more videos to show once I get the trains running. And we'll see how everything is. So, everybody have a good night now. Talk to you later. Bye.